Hey family, and welcome back to another vlogmas video with Rochielin. Today I helped to decorate this tree, so I'm gonna show you guys a little b-roll, a little bit of what we did to get it to look like this. Yeah, no, so pretty. I'm at work, it's a work day, and this is the finished product, so keep watching. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me at Rochielin, and thank you guys. So let's go. I have an audience. Let's go. No, like people legit stand up and watch me upstairs. No, I have a legit real life audience. I'm actually at work. I'm at the office, and this is our Christmas tree. It looks so nice. Look at it.
Alright, yeah. So let's inject this.
Janelle with a hand. But it's going well. The tree looking nice. Say hi. Master decorator over there. Hey. Oh my gosh, Janelle. Progress. We're making progress. See guys, we're decorating the Christmas tree at work. I'm not sure if you can hear me because we have a waterfall just over there. Welcome to Vlogmas with Rochielin. Thank you for being here. Look guys, the tree is finally finished. And this is what it looks like, you know. This is what it looks like up close. This is so pretty. This is so nice. And then this is what it looks like up close. I think we did a good job. It's pretty. It's pretty. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of today's video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media pages at Rochielin, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas with Rochielin. Bye.